This is a 3-digit by 2-digit multiplication problem. 245 times 17. As you can see, I've set up our problem. I have the biggest number on the top and the smallest number on the bottom. I've lined up our digits. Our 1 digits are all in one row, and our 10s digits are all in one row, and our 100s digits are all in one row, even though I don't have a digit on this bottom number. The first thing I need to do is my bottom ones times my top ones. That will be 7 times 5. 7 times 5 is a 2-digit number. It's 35. So I carried my 3 on top of the next column, and I put my 5 at the bottom. Now I need to multiply my bottom ones by my top 10s. That will be 7 times 4. I need to remember that I carried that 3, and I will have to add it to my answer. 7 times 4 is 28. I had to remember to add that 3, so 28 plus the 3 that I carried gives me 31. Again, 31 is a 2-digit number. I can't just put it down beside of our answers. So I had to carry the 3 in 31, and I had to put my 1 down here at the bottom. Now I can multiply my bottom ones times my top hundreds. This will be 7 times 2. Again, I have a 3 up there that was added on. I need to remember to add this to my answer. 7 times 2 equals 14. 14 plus that 3 that I carried equals 17. 17 is a 2-digit number, but I can leave it down at the bottom because I have nothing else to multiply by. It won't get in the way of any other digits. Now would be a good time for me to mark out those 3's that I added. This will prevent me from adding them again in case I have to regroup when I start multiplying by my 10s. I marked out the 3's, and now there's one more thing I need to do before I can begin multiplying by the 10s. I need to add that 0. That will account for the extra digit from multiplying by the 10s column. I added my 0. Now I can begin multiplying by the 10s. First, I will do the bottom 10s multiplied by the top 1s. So that will be 1 times 5. 1 times 5 is 5. It was a 1-digit number, so I just brought it down here. Now I can multiply my bottom 10s by my top 10s. That will be 1 times 4. 1 times 4 is 4. Since it's a 1-digit number, I can keep it on the bottom. Now I will multiply my bottom 10s by my top 100s. This will be 1 times 2. 1 times 2 is 2. Since it's a 1-digit number, I can keep it on the bottom. Now all I need to do is add up my 2 answers. This will give me my final product. I added up my 2 answers. 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. 7 plus 4 is 11, and I carried that 1. 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4. So our answer is, or our product is, 4,165. 245 times 17 equals 4,165.